Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm going to share a super easy chicken and broccoli soup which is perfect for your babies and also for the grown up. The soup is very nutritious, easy to digest and great for healthy weight gain. And also let's get started with the ingredients and I will share with you guys the tips as well why the soup is amazing. So yes, what I added in is like I used a cooking olive oil, then I've added an elaichi, one elaichi, two cloves. I added a small stick of cinnamon. Then I added 10 pepper seeds, and I let them actually fry. And as you guys can see, it's actually blasting. So be just careful with that. And then once it was done, I added half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Cumin seeds are very good for the digestion. So yes, please do use it. And yes, once it was done, the fry of the cumin seed, I added chopped finely chopped onion, and then I let the onion cook until it's translucent. And it's very important that you cook each and every ingredient well, because the aroma of a particular ingredient should not empower the soup, or else the taste will not taste good. So it's very important that you cook everything well. So yes, about the tips actually, why the soup is important and it's good, why are the reason why I choose this is because as a working parent I know it's very hard for us to cook a fresh meal every day for our baby. But that's why I decided that I'm going to share ingredients that is very quick and that's very easy, because cooking in a cooker is actually super easy. It will cook fast and it will be actually tasty as well. So yes, that's the very reason why I chose today to share this ingredient. And also, once the onion is well fried, you need to add a very small pinch. You guys saw that how tiny pinch of ginger garlic paste that I've added. Let the ginger garlic paste as well get fried well. And yes, so what else I added in this is actually I added chicken. Why chicken? Because chicken, it contains protein. It's really good for the growth and healthy weight gain in your baby. And then I also added broccoli. Why? Because broccoli is full of vitamins, iron and fiber. It actually improves immunity and digestion, which is very important. Also, you can add alternative veggies like carrot or beans. Carrot is actually very great and it's very good in vitamin A. It's actually good for eye health and development. Because it's a soup, it is also very easy for kids to digest, especially for the babies and the younger toddlers. The soup will work wonders. And once, as you guys saw, the ginger garlic paste was well cooked, I then added finely chopped tomatoes. I actually use one whole onion and a whole tomato, because this actually gives a very good taste in the soup. So ensure that you added sufficient enough. Then once the tomatoes are cooked, I added a pinch of turmeric, and that's more than enough. Then I added a half teaspoon of salt. I gave it a good toss. I ensured that the aroma of tomato and the turmeric actually goes away, because the turmeric has a very strong aroma. We have to ensure that it is actually gone, or else when the baby is eating soup, they will literally can taste the turmeric. And it's very important what we cook has to taste good, because as a grown up we also will not be able to eat something which is not tasty. So it's the same with the babies. And then I added broccoli. I chopped it in a way that my baby will be able to hold it in the hand and eat by himself. And it's very important that they need to learn to eat food by themselves, because once they go to school or the what you call the daycare or the play school, they will, no one will be there to feed them. I mean, yes, they will be like a caretakers, but they have a lot of kids around them, so it's not easy for them to focus on a particular child. So we have to let our kids learn things by themselves and be self-esteem. Then I added chicken. Actually, I always prefer leg piece, and I always prefer a piece with bone, but ensure that the bone is not something which will actually hurt the baby. So please ensure that you're using with bone chicken that is soft enough and which will not hurt your kids. And after I gave it a good toss, I let it fry for some time, because it's really important, as I told, each and every ingredient has to be fried well, so that the smell of it will not empower the chicken soup. And then I added 1.5 glass of water, and I gave it a good toss, and then I actually added a few coriander leaves, and it was finely chopped coriander leaves. You can also add mint leaves, which is really good for the digestion, and also it will actually keep your baby's body cool, and especially in the summer, mint is one, it does wonders. Actually, it will keep our body cool, so you can add mint as well. Once you're done adding it, you can just give it a good mix and then close the lid and let it blow 5 whistles. 5 whistles will actually let the chicken cook well, and also the veggies in it, so it will be easy for your babies to eat and will not choke them. And just ensure that you're there when your kids are eating. Don't just give them the food and go away, because it's very important whenever they're eating or they're taking bath, we have to ensure that we are there with them, because anything can go wrong. So yes, with the soup you can actually just give them in a bottle to sip. You can give them veggies and the chicken to eat, or you can mix it with the rice and you can give them to eat, or you can also feed them. You can use this soup even for any other side dish such as chapati, or maybe soft spongy dosa. So it is actually really great. It'll taste amazing with anything. I hope you guys like this recipe. Do like